Dr. Zakir, the next question is relating to the etiquettes of the night prayer. Could you explain some of the most essential etiquettes of the night prayer?
There are some hadiths which give us some guidance. There's a hadith which is a Sahih hadith according to Shaykh Albani. It's a hadith of Bayhaqi, where it says that a beloved Prophet ﷺ said that when you get up in the middle of the night, then you use the siwak, and then you do wudu and then offer salah. So using the siwak is a sunnah. Further, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the book of Tahajjud, hadith number 1154, where the beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, and he gave certain things that when a person gets up in the middle of the night, he can recite, La ilaha illallahu wa'dahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Alhamdulillah, subhanallah, wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. And then you can recite, Allahumma ighfirli, Allah forgive me, Allah forgive me. So these are recitations that you can do when you get up. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's a hadith of Sunan Nasai, hadith number 1621, where the beloved Prophet said that when he used to get up in the middle of the salah, Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she said that whenever the Prophet used to get up in the middle of the night, he used to recite, Subhan Rabbil Alameen, means glory be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. He used to recite several times. He used to even recite, Subhanallah wa bihamdi, glory be to Allah and praise be to Him, several times. So these are a few of the etiquettes for a person when he gets up in the middle of the night to offer the salah. And there's also hadith of Sunan Abu Dawud. It's a Sahih hadith, volume number 1 in the book of Salah, hadith number 1324. Once when Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, in the night when he was passing by, he heard Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, reciting the Qiyaam Layl. And you could hear his voice. And later on he hears the voice of Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. When both of them come to him the next day, he says to Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, that I could hear your voice, it was soft, it was low. Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, he replies, that the person who I was praying to, he could hear it. Therefore I was praying softly. Then he says to Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, that your voice was loud. So he said that I was trying to wake up those people who were sleeping, and I was trying to shoo away the devil, the shayateen. I was trying to drive them off. So then the Prophet says to Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, that you should increase your voice while offering the Qiyamul Layl. And he told to Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, that you should lower your voice while offering Qiyamul Layl. That means your voice should be moderate, neither too loud, neither too soft, while offering the Qiyamul Layl. And there's another hadith, which is a Sahih hadith, mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 1322, that Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, he said that whenever the Prophet offered the Qiyamul Layl, you could hear his voice in the inner room when he was reciting in the house. That means the voice was moderate, neither too loud, neither too soft. So these are few of the etiquettes of Qiyamul Layl.